Welcome to the 86th floor observation deck.
Sortez à gauche. 请向左边出口离开. Bitte nach links aussteigen.
Procedi a sinistra.
Salga alla izquierda.
Saída à esquerda.
왼쪽으로 나가주세요.
左手にお進みください.
Please exit left.
Welcome. Where are you from? Welcome, Tampa. Enjoy, guys.
I'm from Ukraine.
Ukraine. Way to go, my man. Good luck over there, Ukraine. How you doing? Going down. Going down.
Imagine, oh my god, I was you don't. Oh my god. How do you do it, guys? I know. I'm scared. My heart is pounding right now watching it. Doing that. E poi ci sono quelli che non lo si
Quel panneau?
Quoi?
Quel panneau?
She doesn't realize that she's trying to see in there.
Jesus. Is that why you didn't want to drive?
Try driving in New York.
My friend Mr. Longo is out the city. He follows them. What helps him? He's a hare.
Why are you standing here out with the phone?
Vale, Julia, no lo puedes decir.
Yeah, yeah. It's hysterical. They're exactly the same.
Just push it down.
Yeah, yeah.
Whether we're in Texas or whether we're in New York, it's the same thing.
It was very funny watching them.
You got that back there.
Yeah, hopefully.
Can I get one alone?
Yeah, hold on. Take pictures.
Not great. My mom said it.
The heater's on.
Go ahead if you can.
나가주세요.
左手にお進みください
Please exit left.
Exit this way to your left. Second, sir. Hi, welcome back.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, take care. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Ramen, chicken, or rice, actually.
Even though we have to show you the other.
Look up.
Oh, it's one of those. Well, I do.
Gracias. Dankeschön. Merci. 감사합니다. Thank you.
Express. 2, right this way. You're gonna go right around the corner to the gift shop. 2 rights.